In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get stuff on Temu working. If you've tried the free rewards and felt stuck, follow along and I'll show you exactly how to make it count from start to finish. First, create a new account. You can sign up with your email, Google, Facebook, or a phone number. New accounts often see welcome perks like free items and big coupons, so it's worth starting fresh if you're new. Keep in mind, rewards are limited per account and device, so use your own details and stick to one account per person to stay within the rules. Next, open the app and go to your profile by tapping You. Look for the rewards section. It might appear under free gifts, free items, affiliate, or invite friends, or even spin and win or games, depending on what's currently running. Choose a promo that clearly says get items for free so you know you're in the right place. Now select the free items you want and confirm your selection. The app will tell you exactly what's required to unlock them, usually a number of invites or points. Here's the most important part: invite new users. Only people who don't already have Temu will move your progress meaningfully. Share your link through Messenger, Facebook groups, WhatsApp, or SMS. Share thoughtfully with friends or communities that are interested, and follow the rules of any group you post in. Make sure your invites complete the full process. For the invite to count, they need to download the app, create an account, and open Temu using your specific link. Ask them to open the app fully after installing so the system registers the referral correctly. You can check your progress in real time. Go back to the rewards page and watch the progress bar fill as your invites complete the steps. Keep going until it reaches 100%. Once you're done, add your shipping address. Enter accurate details and double check your name, address, and phone number so there are no delivery issues. When you check out, the total should show as free. Place the order and wait for the confirmation email or in-app notification. Finally, track your order by going to orders in the app. Shipping typically takes about 7 to 14 days, depending on your location and the carrier. Keep an eye on tracking updates and respond to any delivery messages if needed. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, focus on new user invites, and monitor your progress until you're eligible to check out for free. Promotions can change over time, so always read the details in the app before you start.